Good morning, boys and girls. This week we are going to be learning a new topic on math, and that is geometric shapes. We're going to be learning about all different kinds of shapes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, and what makes them that particular shape. So let's begin. This week we're going to focus on flat shapes or 2D shapes, which is 2D means two-dimensional. And what that means is flat figures are defined by a straight line or a curved line. Some examples of flat or 2D shapes are a square, a circle, a triangle, a rectangle, a hexagon. There are some more examples of flat or 2D shapes, and that would be a rhombus, kind of looks like a diamond, a pentagon, a trapezoid, and an oval. So let's discuss the properties or attributes of flat or two-dimensional shapes. You're going to be hearing a lot of words such as, sides or segments, vertex, angle, or edge. I'm going to get into discuss exactly what those mean right now. So what is a vertex, side or segment, and an angle? Let's talk about them in terms of this shape, the triangle. A side or a segment, it is each straight line that forms in the figure. For example, one side, two sides, three sides. The vertex. The vertex is formed when two lines or segments meet. That is a vertex. One. There are three vertices. If it's more than one vertex, you say vertice. Also an angle. It is the space between inside the two lines or segments that meet, and it is measured by degrees. For example, there are 3 angles inside of a triangle. Now we are going to see and describe the square using its properties. Square. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 angles. Can you point to all of the squares? I'll give you just a second to point to them, and then I will point them out for you. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends. You did a fantastic job. Pat yourself on the back. Can you think of objects that are shaped like a square? Just think around your house or outside. There are so many objects that are shaped like a square. I will show you a few that I thought of. A clock. That clock is shaped like a square. A checkerboard. This window. A waffle, and a slice of cheese. So anytime you're playing a game or anytime you look out the window, some of the windows, you can be like, that is just like a square. Now we are going to see and describe the triangle using its properties. The triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. And it has 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. Now, can you point to all the triangles on this page? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe I see 6. I'll give you 1 second to point to them, and then I will point them out for you. Okay, here goes, boys and girls. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Fantastic, my friends. You did amazing. Can you think of objects that are shaped like a triangle? I will show you a few that I thought of. A slice of pizza is a triangle. Chips, Doritos. a hanger, the sail on a sailboat, and sometimes flags can be in the shape of a triangle. Now we are going to see and describe the rectangle using its properties. Rectangle. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 large sides. 1, 2, and it has 2 short sides. 1, 2. The rectangle has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's your turn to point out all the rectangles you see on this page. I believe I see 5 rectangles. If you don't get all of them, it is okay. Okay, friends, let's see if you were able to point them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! You did it. You are so smart. Can you think of objects that are shaped like a rectangle? A television, a door, a bed, the United States flag, and a book. Good job. All right, now we are going to see and describe using its property. A circle has 1 curved edge. If you can see that yellow shape, the yellow boldness coming in and out, it just has 1 curved edge, my friends. It has 0 sides, it has 0 vertices, and it has 0 angles. Your turn to find them. Let's see, I'm going to count as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count 7 of the white circles. Let's see if you can count them. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super, my friends. Super, super. You did a great job. All right, let's see now. All right, can you think of objects that are shaped like a circle? I will show you some. That clock is shaped like a circle. Some buttons are shaped like a circle on your clothes. Those yummy donuts that you eat. The tire on your bike is shaped like a circle. Otherwise, you would not be able to ride it so smoothly. And those yummy, yummy cookies that you eat. And I don't know about you, but my favorite cookie is a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. Mmm, yummy. Okay, so now let's move on, my friends. We are going to move on and we're going to see and describe the hexagon using its properties. What is a hexagon? Look at that. The hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hexagon has 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the hexagon has 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you know what time it is, right, friends? It is your turn to find all the hexagons. Let me see. I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I count 6 hexagons, my friends. Okay, let's see if you got them all. Oh, wait, there were more. There were 7. Yay! Clap, my friends, and pat yourself on the back. You are so good at finding all these shapes. All right, now let's think of objects that are shaped like a hexagon. They're not going to be as many as the circle or the square or anything like that, but you will find some. Now watch, you have to kind of like have an open mind about this. So I'll show you some of the ones that I found. A bee honeycomb. That has 6 sides inside there. Some nuts and bolts will have 6 sides, And this particular present does have 6 sides. Now, not all presents will have 6 sides, but that one does, and that was in the shape of a hexagon. Okay, moving on. Now we are going to discuss the rhombus using its properties. Now, look at the rhombus. It kind of almost looks like a diamond, doesn't it? So the rhombus has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The rhombus has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. The rhombus also has 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's your turn, my friends. Now remember, the rhombus sometimes can be turned upside down or on its side, so point to as many as you can find. Remember, it has 4 sides. I think I count 6. Let's see if you have found them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was right. Bravo! Fantastic. Can you think of objects around your house that are shaped like a rhombus? I will show you the ones I found. A toy spin top is shaped like a rhombus. Sometimes signs on the street are shaped like a rhombus, and one that you will probably be most familiar with, my friends, is a kite. Look at the kite. So next time you're outside and you're flying a kite and it's a beautiful day, you could say, "Hey, Mom or Dad," or whoever you are with, that kite is in the shape of a rhombus. Now we are going to see and describe the pentagon using its properties. The pentagon has 5 sides, 5 vertices, and 5 angles. Okay, we are going to see and describe the pentagon using, I just did this one. We're going to see and describe the pentagon using its properties. The pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Okay, it's your turn to point them out. Find all of the pentagons. Remember, my friends, the pentagon has 5 sides. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I find 5. I think I can see 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Way to go. Way to go. You keep working hard, my friends. All right, let's think of objects that are shaped like a pentagon. There is a house. Some buttons could be shaped, and then a birdhouse. Not too many, actually, that we can find in in the world, I guess, but there are a few. Okay, we are going to see and describe the trapezoid using its figures, or using its properties. The trapezoid has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices and 4 angles. Can you find all the trapezoids? Let's see. Now remember, they could be upside down too, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I count 6. Okay, let's see if you got them all. And 6. Fantastic! You did it, my friends. Bravo. Can you think of objects that are shaped like a trapezoid? A lamp, a lock, and a flower pot. Well, boys and girls, I hope that you have learned something new about flat or two-dimensional figures and shapes today. Thank you very much for learning with me. Have a good day. Bye.